We can do a little walk around of the pitting. Turkey neck designs with license plate bracket. Fully legal brake light. Yeah, fully street legal brake light. We also have the fully street legal headlight right there. It's pretty bright. Yeah, we also have put some new grips on the bad boy. Extra 10 horsepower right there. Took the seat and tank off and cleaned it up real nice in there. So it's pretty minty right now. It's as mint as it's been in a while. Also have the jumbo size pegs. It's another at least 3 horsepower right there. Fully legal, fully street legal.
It revs good, huh?
Huh?
It revs good in last gear. I mean, you know, it's like.
Yeah, I don't. All right.
All right, well, I'll think about it.
Oh shit. Who's saying that straight gangsters get... Fuck him. They got a big ass hill back here. We used to rip on our bikes. If you go down here on a skateboard, you got some real nuts. Oh yeah. But if you hit this thing with a skateboard, oh yeah. Look at that air strip, which is sick. Baby, I just want to show you off. Oh. Ah! A little rusty. You want to see a little trick?
They're amazed, dude. Sure. They're like, he's riding that? I'm like, yeah.
Oh, y'all have a good one, guys.
Thank you.
Later, man. Take it easy, bro.
Let's go, knucklehead. What up, fool?
What's up, bro?
Yo, man.
I was passing by. I thought I'd say what's up.
I forgot you had that thing.
I forgot I had it too, but my truck's broken, so I had to find some way to get into town.
I know you don't know how to ride wheelies and shit, so
Nah.
I'm surprised you can do it, man.
Nah, I've been trying to learn.
Yeah. You're getting a little better at it.
A little better. A little better.
Whenever you need lessons, just, you know.
I'll let you know. couple good nights over there. A couple more good nights at this place. From me, I will break away. Poor green monster. This is my vehicle. I don't know for whoever didn't know. The motor locked up on this bad boy. I don't know what I'm gonna do at this point. Truck does when you try to start it. So by the way, my battery definitely isn't dead, but yeah, that thing is Dunsky. I could put a new motor in it. My tranny, I'm filming this with an iPhone. My tranny was slipping in fifth gear whenever the motor locked up, so pretty sure I will need a tranny rebuilt. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. That's my neighbor telling me I should fix it, but so yeah, I would need a new motor and the tranny rebuilt, and man, it's just gonna cost like, you know. Hey, Grandma.
Who is that?
That's Mr. Chris. Anyway, you know, I could spend, you know, get a junkyard motor for $500, and then you know, get the tranny rebuilt. It'd probably be another. I could get a junkyard tranny for another $500, $1,000. I still got a used motor and tranny with a 20-year-old truck, and I don't know. I'm trying to move out to Cali in like January. I don't know. Whenever I got the money, I'll put a built motor and tranny in this bad boy, and yeah. I want to get like an Escalade, like a 03 to 06 Escalade with a 6.0 or something in it. So that's why I'm selling. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, I am selling my Supermoto. So I'll get back into it. I'll get a Bike Life 450 or something retarded. Anyway.
Smoke weed every day.